Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Oculus controller is probably one of the most exciting advancements in gaming and virtual reality. It has taken the gaming and virtual reality world by storm, offering innovative and immersive gameplay experiences. With its advanced features and impressive capabilities, the Oculus 2 controller is quickly becoming a must-have for anyone looking to dive into the world of VR. Number 5. KIWI Design Quest 2 Controller Grips Cover. These controller grips are designed to prevent accidental slips during gameplay. They also protect the touch controllers from scratches and dirt, keeping them in top condition. Made from non-slip silicone, the grip covers provide a comfortable hold. The knuckle straps are crafted from skin-friendly PU leather, ensuring they won't irritate your hands. The grips feature a proven texture to increase the binding force. The original wrist strap can still be used with the grips, adding extra security. The nylon magic tape allows for easy adjustment of the knuckle strap to fit various hand sizes. The rotatable rivet enables smooth hand movements. The unibody design makes the grip cover simple to put on and take off. With two locking grommets, you can be confident that it will stay in place, even during intense gameplay. What we like. This grip cover is made of non-slip silicone, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip during intense gameplay. The adjustable knuckle straps provide a customized fit for different hand sizes. If you're looking for enhanced comfort and control, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They feel comfortable on the hands, and I was able to go through sessions lasting multiple hours in VR before the grip started to strain on my hands. The first thing I noticed is how much better the grip is with these covers. My controllers feel way more secure in my hands, which helps during intense gaming sessions. They also add a nice layer of comfort. The material feels good to the touch and reduces the strain on my hands, even during extended play. Number 4. KIWI Design MetaQuest 2 Controller Grips. This controller grip features a unique battery opening. It allows you to swap batteries quickly and easily, without removing the entire grip. These grips are designed to keep your controller safe. They prevent accidental slips during intense gameplay and shield the touch controllers from scratches and dirt. The grips provide a secure hold with a proven texture. The design also incorporates the original wrist strap, ensuring a stable and comfortable experience. The knuckle strap is fully adjustable to fit various hand sizes. The rotatable rivet allows you to fine-tune the angle, enhancing the smoothness of your hand movements. The unibody design makes it easy to attach and detach the grip cover. Two locking grommets keep it securely in place, so you can play without worry. What we like. This controller grip features a convenient battery opening design, allowing for easy battery swaps without removing the entire grip. It also protects your controllers from scratches and dirt. If you value convenience and ease of use, this is the one for you. What people say. The KIWI grips have a nice, thick rubber texture that not only feels good on the hands, but also provides some good grip. The grips also come with some nice straps that slide across the back of the hand to really keep them on. Perhaps the coolest part of this design is the battery cover and ability to quickly remove the battery. Number 3. AMVR Oculus Quest 2 Controller Grips. These controller grips feature a unique design that simplifies battery changes. With just a finger, you can easily access the battery compartment. This innovative design enhances your VR experience. The adjustable leather hand straps provide a secure and comfortable grip. They help you relax your hands and improve control during gameplay. This allows for longer and more enjoyable gaming sessions. The hand straps use an elastic ring and Velcro for easy size adjustment. This design ensures a comfortable fit for all hand types. It offers flexibility and enhances the overall gaming experience. These grips add minimal weight to the controller, maintaining a natural feel. The handbands and wrist straps prevent damage during intense movements. This increases immersion in your VR games. The hand strap is made of high-grade PU leather for a premium feel. It offers a comfortable touch and enhances the overall quality. You'll appreciate the elegant and substantive design. This product comes with a 6-month manufacturer warranty. We also provide friendly after-sales customer service. Please note that the controllers and batteries are not included. What we like. This controller grip features an opening battery cover, simplifying battery replacement with just one finger. The adjustable leather hand straps provide a secure and comfortable grip, enhancing your gaming experience. If you want a more natural gaming experience with added security, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Designed with an adjustable leather knuckle strap, these grips allow you to relax your hands without losing hold of the controller, perfect for fast-paced games like Beat Saber or Blade and Sorcery. The standout feature is the custom battery door, which lets you change batteries without removing the grip entirely, a major time saver and a clever solution to a common VR hassle. Comfort is another strong point. The soft PU leather straps feel sturdy yet breathable, and the elastic band is adjustable for different hand sizes. Once fitted, the controllers stay securely attached even when your hands are open, reducing strain and preventing accidental drops. Number 2. Oculus Quest 2 3 Controller Joystick Replacement Kit. Is your Oculus Quest 2 or 3 controller joystick drifting or damaged? This replacement kit is the perfect solution. It will restore the functionality of your controller. This kit includes everything you need. It comes with 2 joysticks, thumbstick caps, a T5 screwdriver, tweezers, and a pry tool. Everything to get you back in the game. The joysticks are the 3rd generation, designed for durability. The internal spring and cable have been improved. This makes it easier to install and more reliable than previous versions. The included thumbstick caps protect the joysticks. They prevent scratches and wear. They are made of soft, comfortable silicone. The kit includes all the necessary tools. You can easily replace the damaged joysticks. Professional installation is recommended. The package includes 2 replacement joysticks, 4 thumbstick caps, a tweezer, a pry tool, a metal pad tool, and 2 T5 screwdrivers. Please note, the controllers are not included. What we like. This kit provides replacement joysticks and all the necessary tools to repair your Oculus Quest 2 controller. The joysticks are the 3rd generation, sturdy and durable. If you have a damaged joystick or experience drift issues, this kit will get you back in the game. What people say. My son had been struggling with a faulty joystick that would spin uncontrollably, causing him to miss out on playing his favorite game, I Am Security. Once I replaced the joystick, we tested it out, and I'm thrilled to report that it worked perfectly. No more spinning out of control. The joystick on my controller had horrible drift. When I wasn't even touching it and set it down, the joystick registered as it was constantly at the up position. After replacing it using this kit, I have 0 drift. Number 1. GFTVRCE Oculus Quest 2 Controller. Are you ready to dive into virtual reality? This controller will take your gaming experience to the next level. It's designed for the Meta Oculus Quest 2. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, even during long gaming sessions. This pair of controllers offers precise and responsive control, making every move count. This is the original right and left-hand controller. They are designed to work seamlessly with your Oculus Quest 2 headset. Get ready to explore new worlds. Setting up is a breeze, so you can jump right into the action. It's a perfect addition to your VR setup, enhancing your overall experience. With this controller, you'll feel more connected to the virtual world. It's the perfect way to enhance your VR experience and enjoy the latest games. What we like. This is the original right and left handle controller for Meta Oculus Quest 2. It offers an enhanced gaming experience. If you are looking for the original controller, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They connected super easy to his Oculus and work extremely well. Fast shipping, easy to program to your Oculus work great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.